Texas. We participants of Team 42A from Texas Instrumentation Analog Design Contest 2012 to 2013 from Mallarity Institute of Technology and Science. Our project is the development of accident prevention system for drowsiness drivers. We the team size of 4 in the team, along with the excluding mentor, N. Nilima, who is HOD and mentor, and T. Jayavardhan, myself, and Madhavi Soni, Nirja, and Sai Kumar. These are my team size, and we are. Let's explain about the design overview. The design part includes with components, instrumentation amplifier, which operates at instrumentation amplifier INA118P, which is low power, operates at 1.35 volts and offering excellent accuracy. And another one is a microcontroller unit we are using here is MSP430FG4618PZ, which is also a low power device operated 5 volts or 3.3 volts. The wireless transceiver, instead of wireless transceiver we are using a GSM. We are using a GSM right here, which is able to transmit and receive the signal processed by the microcontroller, and the driver module DS1 2A4517 employed to drive the signals and fed back to alarm and to give an alert signal to a drowsiness driver. Here, let us take a working module. How does it works? So these are the electrodes which you can see currently, which I am going to wear is this is an instrumentation amplifier stage. Why I am just taking 2 amplifier is that because to get an amplified signal, because at one by using one amplifier it's giving as a very low amplified signal. So that's the reason I have used a cascade stage to get a better amplified signals. After that further from the electrode, the brain signals, the EEG spectra consist of alpha rhythm and theta rhythm, which has to be processed from this analog amplifier, and later it is being processed into a microcontroller unit, which is of MSP430 FG4618. This is a microcontroller stage where you can see is if a person is feeling drowsy or sleepy, then if person is feeling drowsy, the detection signal will goes to, and if he is falling into a deep state of a sleepy state, so the microcontroller we can see here in the display, it prompts as a no detection. It means there is no the driver is not a drowsy. If it is a drowsy, the appropriate alarm buzzer gives a sound if it is detected. So we can see the buzzer sound. Here the buzzer sound comes in. If it is no buzzer, if the driver is not a drowsy, then there will be displaying saying that no detection is there. Then by this way we can say how an ECG this project works. This project is mainly used for the drowsy detectors to prevent accidents from the drowsiness. Here I just conclude. I would like to say thanks to Texas family for conducting this kind of such programs to bring out the students to prove their ideas in real time. I would like to thanks to Nilima madam, who is HOD with his associate professor, has participated her esteemed and extended her help like, and that's it from me. I just want to thanks for your time to watch.